What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in an Audi flip key remote fob. So this key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to be using a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and flip the key blade out. Then if we take a look on the back side of the fob, in the area where that key blade was, and you'll see, I'm not sure how well the camera's picking up, but there's this little kind of notch right here, and it almost looks like it has just a little bit of a tab in it. What we're gonna do is push up on that little tab, and as we do that, it's gonna pop this little back panel up. So we're gonna push up like that, and you can see it kind of popping in the back up there. And it'll pop it up enough where you can get under the corner of it like this and just pry up. And then it'll come off like that. Now we see our battery right here. And there's this little notch right here that'll allow you to get under the battery like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Like that. And then from there, we just need to go ahead and snap the back cover on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.